Alright, I'm gonna show all you file sharers and just enthusiasts in general that collect data over time a cool little program here. Some of you may be aware of it, many of you may not, but what it's called is bulk rename utility. And what this application does is basically it allows you to rename files or a large quantity of files in just one simple interface. A lot of times when you're renaming files, if you like them a certain way or a certain format, you have to go file by file and rename it and so forth. This will basically allow you to just have like over 100 files listed and just alter it as you wish. There's a lot of functionality here, a lot of stuff to do. It may seem a little overwhelming at first, but really it's pretty simple interface. You pretty much catch on right away. Okay, let me show you a quick example here of what I'm talking about. Say for instance I want to have a bunch of music I've downloaded and I want to format similar to this. Like right here I'll have all my music in artist name hyphen then the name of the album, and within there would be the artist name hyphen the name of the track itself. And these are basically my to-do files, stuff I haven't gotten to yet. So I have a few of them I've already knocked out. But let's say for instance we want to edit this guy right here. Never too loud. Okay, so you can see here, this one's not too bad, but let's check this really quick. Actually, this one might be a good one. Ah, fuck it. Let's just do something like this. Danko Jones, We Sweat Blood. So I have an album like this, and the tracks are just kind of thrown out there, not really formatted, not really recognizable if they're by themselves. So what I'm going to do here is browse through this directory, and I can do that by just using the left panel to navigate to it. And this is the We Sweat Blood album. So now I have all my tracks in here, and once within here I can just highlight them all. And like I said, I wanted it to be formatted similar to this, the Arctic Monkeys here. And also in here it shows like basically the size, bitrate, and all that shit. But we want to format it just like this. So right here I can just highlight this. I could put could prefix it with the name of the artist, would be Danko Jones space hyphen then space. Actually, you know what? Probably a better thing to do would be to exit this, and then we can remove the first few characters all the way up to the name of the track, and then add the prefix of Danko Jones. Actually, before we do that, I want to rename first. Highlight, rename, and prefix it with that, and then just press rename, and bam, now we got all of our tracks organized just like we want to. And normally if we were to do it, it'd be a fairly long process, one at a time basically, but now we just go here and all of our tracks are organized exactly as we want them. And there's lots of different things sorry, my phone's going off. There's lots of different ways you can format. You can add a random character in the middle of it. Say like I want to add a hyphen just in the middle of all the tracks, or replace the periods between each one with actual spaces, because sometimes you do that. You can do that as well with this program. There's a lot of functionality, lots of different things you can do, a lot of options. Like I said, it's a little overwhelming at first when you look at the interface, but overall it's pretty simplistic and easy to get the hang of. So if you're an enthusiast that likes to keep your information organized and so forth, it's probably a great program to use. It saves a lot of time, and it's definitely a useful utility to use. So I just want to show you all that, share that with y'all, and I'll put a link in the description for this application itself if you're interested. So that's that.